Hey, hey. New project. Let's go. Morning. Maybe for you. It's the afternoon here. In France. Ah, every time. From experience, maybe. I don't know, it's been like 5 or 6 years I've been doing some WebGL. Florida, oh, nice. I bet it's quite early. Upgrades? Right, it was the same as yesterday. Or maybe you didn't see yesterday. Yeah, I did music, notifications, the chat. Is the chat working? I think so. Oh, it's too low. Yeah, like that is better. Oop.
Our struggle as artists isn't about appeasing the crowd. Rather,
Is the sound good?
tending to the broken parts inside of ourselves. We create things as a reflection of the
Okay, nice. Okay, let's go. So let's start with the portal. It's gonna be the main part of this experiment. I don't know. So in the portal. Oh wait, I need to put the fan. Before my Mac burns. Yeah, probably right. Let me check that. Alright. So... yeah. Oops. 3, obviously. Alright, that's our portal. Let's get rid of Lana. Lana. Bye, Lana. Yeah. You can't stay, but if you're on holiday, you can stay. Alright, see you. Bye. Alright, let's separate already. I think this part is going to be quite hard. I'm going to name the main part. Actually, we already need some references. Portal, I need to portal. Yeah, which one is the main one? Yeah, something like that. I guess. Why not? Why not? Yeah, we have those little spots. Maybe I will create those using a canvas. We have this spiral thing. Alright, I think we have enough. I'm gonna save those somewhere. Yeah, exactly. I just updated my template because I used to like take always the same, the previous project and update it, but this time I created a template. Actually, you can find it on my GitHub. I pinned this one. It's the complex one because this project might take quite a long time to create. So it's more like modules, classes, better structure. Rick and Morty. What are those? Yeah, we don't care about that. This, I might need it later. We don't care about that. That, because I might need it later. What's that? I don't know. Let's keep it. Alright, so let's take some references. Just so we can watch something. Yeah, I don't like this one. Ugh, what the? Yeah, why not? Let's take this one. You never know what you really need. That one is ugly. Not a big fan. Yeah, I think this main one is the most important one. This one, yeah. Yeah, I like the pattern. We will keep this cartoonish style, but the rest of the environment is going to be realistic. I don't know if it's a good idea, but we are going to test that. So Rick and Morty, inspiration. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's the one. Thank you. Okay. I think it's going to be funny. Creating this pattern. Unless I get stuck, but it's something I think I can do it quite easily. Just for those dots, I don't know exactly how I'm going to do those. Yeah, I think I will go through a canvas, maybe multiple ones, so that we have some kind of parallax when they're rotating, like at different speeds. We'll see, we'll see. So, yeah, we have the main one here. I'm going to call it like main. How can we call it? Just main? Okay, let's do just main. Set main. And I'm going to put those inside the main. We need a group. Yeah, we create the group there. Great to see you on Twitch. Bought your course 3 months ago. Nice. But unfortunately, didn't have time. Yeah, it's always about having time. But having time is about priorities. We just have other priorities. Anyway, whenever you want, do the course at your pace. Okay, so I think we are going to have the same. So this one is going to be main. The mesh. I broke something. Seed is not a function. Sin. Add. Oops. Ah, come on. Alright, the main part is back, and we are going to create our own shader, and I didn't create any shaders. Portal, main, maybe. Yeah, let's do that. Vertex.jsl. I hope I will see you at Ethic. You hoped? Like in the past? Or you're hoping to see me next year? Because I won't do Ethic anymore. So the fragment GL color, let's try to do it on our own. It's Vec 4. This one is quite easy. Let's create a red one. This one is a bit harder. I'm going to create the different parts. No, I don't need to create the different parts. I think I'm not going to animate the vertices. There's going to be GL position. It's going to be the projection matrix multiplied by the model of the view matrix. Multiply by Vec 4 of the position, and we need the perspective, so 1.0, and it should work. Okay, let's import those. Portal, main, vertex, shader, from, shaders. Yeah, that's it. Oops. Vertex.jsl. Not working? Ah, that's weird. Are you working? Yeah, it's working. Alright, it's just VS Code having troubles. No big deal. Right now it's not that interesting, unless you're interested in like the starting of a project, but I think it's going to be quite boring for at least an hour. Or it depends on the portal, maybe I can get it quite fast. Anyway, we have the replay at a point. Having the stream series, oh nice, glad you like it. Why study? Oh, because I just want to enjoy doing stuff, and if people can enjoy watching me and doing stuff, so it's just perfect. I don't know yet if I will continue. I just like for a few weeks I will do it like 100%, and if it's fine, if I enjoy doing that, I will continue streaming for, I don't know, both at the same time too. Yeah, no. I don't think that's a good idea. Guide or some resources to learn how to host a Three.js website. Yeah, I actually... Oh, wait. Oh, I have something for you. Do you speak French? If you speak French, I have a lesson for you. Vercel. Use Vercel. Alright? It's very easy. Took me this project is already on Vercel. I will share the URL soon. And with Vercel, in a few minutes, you will have your code live. It's mostly for a single page application, but your Three.js project will be hosted pretty well on that. 30% not enough for the lesson. It's because I gave a lesson to my students, but the lesson is in French. That's why. Okay, so we have the two shaders. Let's use them. I wonder if I say shaders like the cheese, probably. Just like brother. The geometry, I'm adding way too much commands, but you'll see at the end there will be quite a lot of line of codes. So this one is going to be a shader material, and we need to send the vertex. Let's send first the vertex. This one, and the fragment. Oh, you know Vercel, so it's fine. But yeah, GitHub pages is good enough, the same, and it's GitHub like they can survive any hacker's attack, DDoS, so it would be fine too. No, I don't teach at Ethic anymore. Ah, too bad. Sorry. Schneider. Ah, yeah. So, oh, it worked. First try. Nice. Then we can play with it. Let's send the UV first. It's going way too fast. That's weird. So, Vec2, VUV. We get it there. We update it there. Like this, like that, and like this. Nice. But I prefer this one. Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's draw a portal here. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Actually, I'm going to make it bigger because it's not 1, so let's put 3. Okay, cool. Oh yes, a scene. Sure. No, I'm not leaving. I'm continuing next year. You speak French, right? Courses at Esin are in French. So, yeah, let's draw it. So, yeah, I think this will be my main reference. Maybe I can put it somewhere. Oh, wait. Maybe I can put it there. Ah. I'm going to put it inside VS Code so that we can watch it at the same time. Yay! Look at that. Nice. True. Good luck with that. French is way too hard. Alright, obviously we need some Perlin. I will take it from the previous project. The Valley. But first let's create the coordinates. So we need the radial coordinates. I'm gonna need pi 2. Atom, I guess. Yeah, that's the part I'm bad with. Radial distance to center first. It's gonna be the length of VUV minus 0.5. I'm going to call this one centered UV. If you get the length of this one, you should get... nope. Oh, is it? Oh, yes, it is. Okay. Alright. We just can't see it. Okay, it's working. So we have the one going from the center to the edges, and now we need radial coordinates. So it's gonna be radial ratio. Yeah. A10, it's gonna be this one. Oops. Yeah. WebSocket message, I guess. Yes. Manu, stop. So we have an error. What did I do wrong? It's a friend, don't worry, it's not a troll. Convert this one, atom, I got it wrong. How do we get the radial from a UV? JSL atom 2, or maybe it's 2. Yeah, I bet. Nope. Not that one. Oh, yeah, I know. You have to send not vec2, but 2 values. So, maybe like that? Yeah, okay, it's working. Alright, so we need something from 0 to 1, because it's always better to have something normalized, and I'm gonna need pi. Pi. I never know the value. Yeah, that one is fine, but I know that you can have a more precise version of it. Yeah, look at that. Alright. And we can divide it. Okay, that's better. Mm-hmm. Okay, nice. Not yet. Okay, we're all getting close. 0.5 maybe. Yeah, that's the one. So we have 0 here, and it goes up there. We don't care about where it starts, because it's all circular, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. ACOS? I don't think so. Yeah, pi. We don't have pi in JSL. You have to send it with whatever precision you need. This one is more than enough. All right. Let's use those. I think that's all we need. I mean, in terms of coordinates. Now that we have the coordinates, we can use them to create that pattern. There's a problem actually, because the one at the center is as big as the one on the sides. That might be a problem actually. Yeah, maybe it's just like a purlin on the X and Y, and we only rotate it according to the distance to the center. So it's not like I'm used to do, so let's see. It's new. I'm gonna take the purlin from the previous project. It was the holographic terrain. I don't know if I rename it. New names was Valley. So we need the shaders. All right, let's create some partials. Can I copy them like that? Yeah, our VS Code is so good. Okay, I just need this one. And how can I import it? Get elevation. Yeah, like that. All right, cool. Okay, it's working. So we have the UV floats. I'm going to distort the UV, but later. First, I need to test that the pattern is working. Still working. Okay, nice. All right, so that's a start. We need this. We have this. Maybe we need some. Yeah. It's not that easy. In the end, it's okay if it's not exactly the same, but still, I want a very similar pattern. We can apply a step. If you don't know about the step, if it goes above the limit, you get 1. Below the limit, you get 0. And I think it's first the age and then the value. Am I right? Yeah. Yeah. And then you can change the limit. Actually, we can create those dots using a purlin. And they will be distorted. So I guess it's fine. ACOS -1. Oh, really? Nice. Do we have access to ACOS in GLSL? Let's try. I'm curious. So you told me that float pi and you do ACOS -1 and this would give you pi. No, why not? We don't have access to ACOS. Too bad. Okay, so if I do minus this one. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Let's try to apply a distortion. We need more details, like 20 maybe. I'm going to combine 2 details, 2 levels of details, I mean. So the idea is to rotate it. We need to rotate according to the distance from the center, and I know exactly what we need. JSL, I am flow, I think that's the name. Flow rotate matrix. Yeah, I don't know how to do a 2D rotation on my own. That's on me. Rotate is going to be from the center. Yeah, I think by default it's the center, so we can use this one. I'm going to put it in another file if it's working. Okay, so no error. Before using anything, you bring like in your JSL, just bring it, test, just save and test, and then you can use it. You can copy and paste so many mistakes. Yeah, I think it should be fine. So I'm going to create a destored UV. Destored UV is going to be a rotation of the base UV according to an angle, and I will just use like, I don't know, 1.0 to start with. Use that there. Did it move? Yeah, it moved. All right. So now we can use the distance from the center into that. Ah, see? It's already working. All right, cool. We have something there. Float ACOS. I don't think we have ACOS. But yeah, maybe let's test. All right. Float by ACOS, float of -1. No, it's not going to. Oh, actually, I wrote -1 instead of -1.0. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, yeah, you're right. I think I wrote -1. So this should be pi, you're telling me. Yeah, it's working. Nice, good to know. Though I won't use it because it's slower than just having a define. But that's good to know. ACOS sounds logical. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, I need to use this one. Okay, it's over. Bye. Now we have a lot of works. Actually, I wonder how we can do like the edge right here without... Yeah, I think I would just discard it. It's not that easy. Yeah. This one is really tricky. We'll see. So we have a base color. We have two different effects on top of it. They seems to follow the kind of the same pattern, but with a different precision. So I need to be careful with that. Yeah, that's really hard. But anyway, we can create our own mixture. Oh yeah, absolutely. We are going to do a lot of mixes, I think. You know what? Let's put a color. I want to see it with a color. Can we add the pipette? Do we have pipette there? How can we use a pipette? How can I bring this color? Something I never knew how to do in Mac. I will open Photoshop. So sad. Oh, come on. Okay. So here's the first color. We need to send it through those uniforms. We have 4 colors if we count the white one. Yeah, let's just name it 1, 2, 3. You color 1. Alright. I'm not going to create a debug UI for this one. I think those colors are just fine. Anyway, I can change that later. So that's the base one, then it gets darker. Oh, that's weird. And it gets brighter again. Almost yellow. Wait, it's not working. Photoshop. Alright, let's get them here. So if I put everything there, it should be right. Yeah, okay. It's gonna be a mix between this one and this 1, I guess, according to the Perlin strength. Actually, I should not do that already, but I prefer. All right, that's cool. Okay. Colorimetre. Colorimetre. Yeah, my Mac is in French. I never asked for it. Colorimetre. Nice. That's it. Poof. Oh. And how... I mean, you can't use that. Yeah, that's... I think that's the one. You can't copy it. All right. Can we get the name of the playlist? I don't think so, but I think that I'm using Pretzel. This is Pretzel. And Pretzel, I'm playing lo-fi. And Pretzel is just for streaming. Like you can remove... make sure it works on YouTube, remove voices, and I don't pay for it, so I don't have access to all the features, but I think that it's posting automatically in the chat, so if you click on the link, I think you will get the songs. But yeah, it's just the lo-fi category. Oh, you can copy it, yeah. So we have good bass. It's very good bass, actually. We need more distortion and also some on the sides. No, maybe not. Actually, don't forget that we need to animate it too. So less distortion, actually. And bigger Perlin, but more distortion. What? It's not working. Oh no, that's the one controlling the distortion, and that's the frequency. All right. So the frequency is actually not that bad. There is 2 distortion. And it gets pointy too. We can try to apply like a distort. Oh, that's complex. I need names. I need a lot of names. Come on, Shift C to copy color. Oh, okay. Nice. Let me test. Command Shift C, and then I can paste it. Ah yeah, cool. Too bad there is no exa. P3 sRGB Adobe RVB. Oh, I mean, it's so simple. Why not? Anyway. Okay, so if I add another one, yeah, I need a name. First mix. Mix 1. Yeah, mix 1. And then mix 2. Mix 2, we have a different step. 5, and we are going to mix it again with another value. So it's going to be the color from the color 2 to the color, no, from the color to the color 3 using the mix 2. And yeah, that's cool. All right. We need to tweak those quite a lot. So the one is in the back is almost the same everywhere, but this one has some distortion on it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be the hard part, but I think it's going to be hard. Because it needs to match... Oh, actually, it doesn't need to match this pattern. Let's do that already. I can do like, if the distance is bigger, so if distance above 0.5, I discard. So nothing will be shown. All right. So this is the easy part. Then I can apply one of the distortion is probably going to be the second one to play with that. So it's going to be the mix too. But I apply a step on it. Yeah, that's going to be a problem. If I do something like that. Nope. Nope. Maybe. Maybe that's a start. The Mixu is actually much bigger than this one. So if we play with this one. Yeah, I think we have something. Mix2 is too strong. So if I do 0.2. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's working. That wasn't that complicated. 0.03 maybe? Yeah. It's not exactly the same thing though. I think it's because, yeah, because of the radial part. Should I keep it? Maybe I should create my own. Yeah, I will create another one, another mix. It's gonna be quite a mess to have that much perlins, but still it's 2D perlins, so it's fine. I'm gonna call it discard perlin. Yeah, let's do that. It's exactly the same thing, like that, but no distortion on. Distortion or no distortion? Let's not put a distortion on this one. So it's the centered UV. And if this minus this. Yeah, like that. Far from perfect, I know. I need to work on those brighter parts. Hey, Yaron. With Three.js, oh, it's been 6 years, 5 to 6 years, I think. But not full time. I've been doing that full time only like 1 or 2 years. 2 years, I think. Hey, you again. You never miss one. How can we change it? We need to apply another frequency on it. So I'm going to remove this one and focus on the first one so that we have a less like regular pattern. I can't wait to animate everything. Maybe I should start already because it's getting quite complex. We have some UVs stuff. So UVs like this. Discord. First mix. We can apply the color already on the first mix and then second mix. Like that, I guess. Okay, not bad. Yeah, we need those white particles. They will rotate at a different speed, and I think I would like create another plane so that we have just enough depth. I know we want a cartoon effect on this one, so it's okay if it's flat. The rest of the scene will be will have 3D, quite realistic lights. It's going to be how do you say real-time light. This part needs to be cartoonish, but still I think I will create the dots through some points on top of it, like another plane. Single light spiral, can we reduce the details? Single light spiral, yeah, kind of, but watch the size. There is another one, so I don't know exactly how to enter that. And it's not just one. See that? Anyway, you're right. We need to apply some differences. So yeah, I'm going to do another perlin mix one. We are going to multiply it by another perlin frequency. So this multiply by another one with a lower frequency, but a weird one, not just divided by 2. And if I do something like that, yep, nope, that's not it. Multiply, gave that. Yeah, it's plus. All right, oh. Done. That wasn't that complicated. Let's focus on the other one. So this is not going to work. Yeah, I need both. Wow, it's going to be a mess. No. You think? Yeah, right. Dark one has to stop. Let's check the other one quickly. Yeah. This one is really weird. Yeah, let's follow this one. So we need to lower it at the edges. So what we can do is, just like we did for the discard, play with the distance to center. So it's going to be mix 1 plus equal distance to center. Whoops. Ah. Come on. Okay. Probably the opposite. Minus distance to center. The mix can start much later. Oh. Nope. Yeah, something like that. Not a big fan. What did I do? Actually, no, it's not bad. Maybe too much details again. Let's increase that. It's working well, but I want to increase the effect. Yeah, this is good. And then bigger distortion. I might need 2 different distortion for this one. Yeah, okay, that's good. I like it. Okay, let's play with the other one. So it looks like this. We need to have more of the effect of a big one on it. And we need different values too. Distort UV. No, I can't do that. I think I know. If I play with the UV, like the initial UV, you can use the center UV. It's quite the same, but let's use this one. Yeah, maybe there's something with that. Yeah. Distortion is a bit too strong on this one. Should we lower both? Yeah, I think we need 2 different distortions. Why is it so strong? Oh, because it depends on how far it is. Yeah. Yeah, let's create 2 distortion. So we are using this one there. So it's going to be only for the first mix. Distort UV 1, distort UV 2. Yeah, nice. Four maybe. Yeah, that's cool. I know it's not exactly the same, but as long as it's cool, you see, once we animate it, it's done. Oh, actually, if we want a cool animation, we might need a 3D Perly noise. That's going to be bad for performances, because you're already using 4 of them, 5 of them. Ah. Yeah, we have no choice if we want to animate it. I will see later. Oh, by the way, I added this so we can see how long it takes to render this. So as long as you're below, like, I don't know, like 10 is fine, 16 is starting to be bad. Depends on your computer too, but that's the idea. The new experiment, we're going to create like Rick and Morty tribute. The idea is to have like the main piece is going to be that portal. And you will have like a surrounding, that's the idea, but it's probably going to go differently. But you will have a surrounding, some kind of runes, like everything is broken, it's dark, and you will have a lot of objects from the show, like the plumbers, like the car, the dog helmet, many objects like that. I started writing different objects. The portal gun, obviously. And yeah, all around with the portal at the center. And we are going to have real-time lights. I can't wait to see the light of the portal. Like a green light applied on all the surrounding. Should be fine. I hope. I'm not sure. The previous one went really well, but I'm not sure for this one. We'll see. Anyway. Okay, next part. We want some on the sides. Yeah. We need to be the mix to be stronger on the sides. And we did it already with the distance to center there. Oh yeah, this one might be a bit harder. We need it strong at the center and at the edges, but weak, a bit weak at this, like there. Yeah, let's focus on this one. I'm gonna call it like float test. So it's gonna be the distance to center multiplied by 4, maybe. And we are going to watch what we get there. Come on. So yeah, I can just do minus, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. And then I can just apps. And the absolute, oh, perfect, nice. So we need it maybe a bit further, so 35. Oh, by the way, at 6, there is 2 friends that will do shader calling. It's Curiously Minded. I will post it already. Curiously Minded. So it's Alicia and Elisa. And it's at 6, right after. So yeah, I think I will stop around 6.5. Blender, oh yes, I will. And maybe today. We'll see how fast I go and when I want to stop working on the portal. But we will do some Blender. For sure. So we have this value mix to strength. Oh, actually, we don't need to do that. I can just like apply it there. Yeah, I already installed the latest version there. And I want to do some Blender. It's been quite a while. I've been working on with 3D models, but I was not the modeler, so I didn't do them. Just some tweaking. Okay, so that was the exact opposite. Oh no, wait, that's it? Yeah, that's good. That's good, it's just not the right values, I guess. Maybe it's too strong. Which one was it? Yeah, it was this one. So if I put 2... Yeah, it's good. If it's strong enough... Wait. We need it to be to just go maybe deeper at the center, and this is done through this one. Yeah. Maybe we need also to push the values to the sides Okay, let's get back to the test. Float test equal that. Yeah, we need to push the values to the sides. And to do that, we need to apply a power, maybe? Yeah, that was it. Maybe not that much. Yo. And yo. Okay, so it's that value on this guy here. Nice. Going well. Maybe too strong? Or we can just change this one. That's the cool part. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Really cool. Oh, wait, I need to catch up the messages. Yeah, I really want to learn Blender because I love your Three.js Journey. Ah, nice. I think we will create some rooms just like this one. I didn't do the models. It was Romain Brio, a modeler. He's designer, modeler, he does a lot of things. So it's Romain Brio that did the models. Because it's better than me and I didn't have time. Twitter, Romain Brio. But yeah, we will create probably some rooms at a point. I have so many ideas, but rooms are part of it. Here you go. He's very good. He doesn't post enough what he does. Like most of his projects are... You probably don't know he did those projects. Oh, by the way, there is one project that he did a long time ago. And it's this one. And it's on the homepage of Dribble. What an achievement. Remember you. He didn't even knew about that. Like at a point someone told me, did you know that you're on the homepage? He didn't know about that. Polygon Runway, yeah, it's very good. I like his videos. He does so many videos. That's crazy. So yeah, we need to animate that. I don't care that it's bad for performances. I'm going to put a Perlin, 3D Perlin noise. We need one. Holographic terrain. Yeah, let's... Ooh, sorry. How many are we, by the way? How many are we, by the way? 50. Damn. That's so much. Okay, that's the one. Zoo. Yeah. Maybe we don't need a 3D Perlin nose for every values. Let's see. We're using one here. Yeah, like maybe not this one. Like the big one is not that important. Yeah, I think we can use a 2D Perlin nose only on the small patterns. And this one is on the sides. I don't know. Oh, it's okay. We don't care that much for performances. As long as it runs fine on most devices, I think it's fine. So yeah, let's put one on all of them. Like that. Vec 3. Not sure of what I'm doing. Oh yeah, okay, it worked. Oh, it's not the same. Oh. This one is very different. What the hell? Ah, we need to change all the values again. Is it because I put 0? Oh, it's kind of the same. Still, I'm a bit disappointed. Anyway, when it will start moving, I think it will be fine, but still it's disappointing. Let's not change that yet. So, we need the time. Is my world being updated? Yeah. Oops. No, you don't like that? If portal, I didn't say. Okay, that's why. Yeah, at the start I don't have it because I'm waiting for things to be loaded to create the portal, which will get useful a bit later. Probably. Yeah, true. Really nice guy. Yeah. Probably the nicest ever. So I was trying to send the UTime. Oh yeah, that's it. I will use this one. Uniforms. UTime. That value equal time dot elapsed. Those are classes that I'm creating. This time elapsed. So I can get it from here. Yes, in this project I will use some pre-made classes because I don't need to lose time on getting the elapsed time, structuring stuff. It's going to be big, so we need a good structure from start. I forgot that I needed to create a partial for this one. Just that right after. Moment of truth. So we can play with this one already. So it's the Discord, and let's send it and let's see. That's perfect. It's millisecond. The UTime contains milliseconds, so we need to lower it quite a lot. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. I think we can see the ages. Oh yeah, we do. We need to push it back just a bit. Oh yeah, because it's changing from that value, so we need half of that value. Minus, yeah, let's keep it that way. Yeah, okay, that's cool. That's the first one. Let's animate the other ones. It's alive. All right, let's put the same values on every one of them. We will tweak them right after. That's cool. We need to tweak that. I think the big ones should not move, or almost not move. These ones need to move much less. This one too, and this one, same thing. And then we will rotate it, obviously. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Price parity? No, sorry. What I did was to put the lowest possible price. Let's push it, by the way, if you want to test it. Yeah, like that. And here you go. Should be live very soon. Give him like just a minute before it's live. No, look at that. 1 millisecond, it's fine. Yeah, I think I will do it. 100 discount. I have to. For 100 people. L'affaire du siècle. Deal of the century. Okay, so is it updating? Let's wait. Yeah, 100 people. I have to. We can rotate it. Should we rotate both? Rotate maybe just this one. So the rotation, the angle is this one, and we can just do some like that. Yuck, that's ugly, my bad. It has to be on the other way. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. We're going to tweak that. Let me just check out. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. You can test live. Gonna send the URL. I already did. You can click on the link. I have to go back. I have to come back. Wait. What? Okay, I'm back. Should we tweet it? Yeah, you know what? Let's tweet it. That's a good idea. Not mine. Like that, like that, like that. We don't need this. We don't need this. No, wait. It's quite the right music for this. Give me just 1 minute. All right. Oops. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that's the link. So all right, so did it work? Wait. Yeah, it's working. Okay, nice. Yeah, I like it. How can we improve that? Should we? Maybe we should wait to have more stuff to improve that. Like to add the details on the top. So, should I create like a new layer or not? I'm not forced to. Should we add depth or not? Maybe not. Yeah, let's add those directly on top of it. So it's gonna be a third mix. This one's not going to be that hard. Second mix, third mix. I think it's just white. So we said to get the picker. Is everything working, by the way? You have the camera. Yeah, okay. Second mix, third mix. Barely noise. Let's use the same technique. First, we need the exact same thing we did here. It's a bit different now. So we have this, we have this. Look like that. Yeah. Not the apps. Can be like this. The apps was on this. No. What? Oh, it's because of the power. Okay, okay. So we need to remove the power too. All right. This way we can have just some on the side. So float mix 3. We get a pairing noise again. I'm going to rotate it too, but just like a general rotation. Yeah, I don't know. Mix 3, pairing noise. Has to be quite small, so maybe 30. Let's not play with this one, so 0.0. And we mix. It's from the color to white color, so Vec 3 1.0. You did what? Put it online? Should I click? Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. Oh, we have some like lighting on it. Yeah, good job. So the mix, yeah, I was mixing. So this is the one. We have the color. Let's get rid of this one, and we're going to so we need to apply the step, classic step. Oh, I'm doing it on this one, so it has to be like the centered UV, or the UV. It's the same, and then we apply a step on it. Yeah, that's it. Nah, it's not white, is it? Maybe I need to play with the output too. I don't know what I put on the template. Oh yeah. Yeah. We need this one, this one, this one. Not yet those ones. No, we get the same result. White is white in the end, so yeah. We get the same result. As long as you don't put tone mapping, the white is white. So it was colorimètre numérique. And it's not fully white. Command Shift C. Yeah, okay, I can use that. Oh, it makes color 1, color 2, color 3. Oh, let's send it just in case. So it's gonna be color 4. We can convert it. How can I convert it easily? Wait, those are the value. Oh, I have Photoshop open. Let's use Photoshop. So, 248, 251, 243. Yeah, okay. Color 3. And I said it was going to be like that. Yeah, okay. That's white. Anyway, if we want to change it later, we can. Okay, that's cool. They need to be bigger. So it's gonna be 0. Yeah, we need to play with this one, I guess. 25 maybe. Even more? 20? Nah. Yeah, this is fine. AR portal? Yeah, why not? I'm not too much into VR and AR, though I'm not too much into it because I think it's too hard to test those. Like when I want to share a website, I just send you the URL and then you can just test it. And that's what I don't like with VR and AR. Yeah, that would be slick. Don't hesitate to use my code and do whatever you want with it. So we need to use what I calculated before and I deleted it, obviously. Yeah. Oh no, it's this one. All right, cool. So we need to do that. Minus, I don't know. Was it minus? Nope. Before the step. Yep. And that's the opposite. Nope. Yeah, I think that's it. Not exactly. They need to be like on the line. That's almost it. I think that's it. Let's just reduce it and it should be fine. Sorry, like that. Yeah, it's fine. Maybe a bit further. 30. Yeah, that's nice. View display values hexadecimal. Yeah, okay. And if I copy it, yeah, it worked. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, bye, Anto. And thank you. Got it, but WebGL is based in the browser, so all you do is share it. Yeah, true. But not so many devices are compatible. And you have iOS always pulling back while everybody is trying to go forward. So that's just why I'm not doing that too much. But I like it. I like it. Maybe I will do some project. We'll see. Okay, so I don't need the test anymore. Yeah, I can get rid of that. And we can rotate them. And to rotate it, we can use the rotate here. The rotate is used there, so we need a new UV actually. Can we use one that already exists? No, because it's been distorted. Yeah, we have to create one. Probably minus. Oops. Still too much. Still too much. Yeah, that's cool. Should we animate it? Yeah, I think so. Oh, it's getting strange here. Yeah, that's cool. Maybe a bit faster and a bit less too. It's weird that some of them are showing up like all together, though we have only one frequency of pairing noise, so I don't know what's happening exactly. Yeah. We are creating a Rick and Morty tribute, just because I like the show and I was thinking that it could be fun to try to recreate the portal. And for now we are creating the portal, but after that we are going to create like a whole environment with real-time shading, lighting, many stuff like that. Oh, it's a Twitch recommendation? Nice. I wonder how much I appear on the Twitch channels. How can I check that? Like from the category I'm in, so it's science and technology. Yeah, but I bet that you have like different results depending on who you are. Let's test in private. Nice. Oh, 73. That's a lot. Okay, those are webcams. Oh, there are so many people watching webcams. Why? Maybe to put in the back, I don't know. All right, let's not do some advertising for the other Twitch. I did a mistake here. Okay, let's push that. Actually, there's something. Maybe we want to not discard the ones on top, or it's going to be a mess in the code. Let's keep the code quite simple and not... Oh, wait, we lost... Oh, the performances are getting so bad. Look at that. We lost like 3 milliseconds just with that third one. Ah, maybe not that much. Is it since we use the 3D pairing noise? Or is my computer just burning? No, we didn't lose that much. See? We are at 2 and we are at 2 again. You probably can't see the number here, but it's 2. If I put myself there, it's 4. Yeah, this one is 11. That's a lot. 14. Yeah, if you get too close, your computer will start to burn. It's already too much. I don't like to start a project and thinking that's already too much. Oh, also because I'm running OBS with a denoiser streaming, so it's fine, it's fine. I don't know what's the frame rate for you. You can put a hash debug at the end of the URL to see the performances. I would like to know what are the performances for you. Here is the link. Fast JS debug. Oh, the JS is not working. What the hell? I can't share it with JS debug. Wait, I'm gonna try again. Oh, this one is working. What the hell? Okay, the links are strange. So if you add hash debug, yeah, I said dièse. It's in French. Hash debug, you will see the performances. I would like to know what are the performances for you. Yes, I will put them on YouTube anyway. 8. Ooh. That's bad. Ugh. Okay, maybe we did some mistakes. See, we are just having fun with the purlins, and it's always like that. I always do that. Purlin, 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 and you broke it. Okay, it's already too much. Because we're going to add some real time with the mesh standard material, and you will see it's gonna be a mess. But who cares? It's gonna be bad performances. Okay, cool. We can continue. Let's create. What time is it? Oh yeah, let's continue. I think we can continue. We have the portal. It's looking great. We're going to create some environment, and to create the environment, I'm going to use. How can I call it? Surrounding. Oh, we need reflection. Oh, that would be awesome to have like some water. How do you say? Black dough. Some water part like on the street, and being able to see the reflection of the portal on it. Maybe. Let's see. So set portal. We're going to add a light inside the portal too. I'm going to push that, by the way. Yeah, because you've been testing. It's not even the last version. Okay, let's get rid of that. Yeah, I know. It's always bad. Yeah, I was thinking of that, but I want to make it look like they are dead. Maybe you can see like the bodies very far away, or maybe just a hand. But yeah, maybe we can. And actually, I wanted to do some distortion, like on the plane. Like maybe if there is an object, it will pull the plane just a bit. It can be from the user input, like if you move like that. Well, anyway, I wanted to create the rest, so we're going to create maybe a floor. It's gonna be temporary, so yeah, let's create a temporary floor. I just want to watch to make sure the lights are working well. I don't know how to call that. After that, we're going to do some modeling. Floor. Okay, let's go. Z fighting 0 when zoom. Oh, really? That's some good gaming PC you have here. If you have 0. Oh, actually, maybe it's a bug. because there are some computers that doesn't handle this, especially if you're testing on a WebGL 1 browser like Safari. I think that Safari doesn't support what I'm using to display that. Or you have a very good computer. One when zoomed, if you have one, then you have a good computer. Okay, so this one is fine. Let's rotate geometry itself. Rotate X. Was probably the opposite. Yeah, like that. Okay, it's working. We need some lights, and I'm going to just put one light inside the portal for now. We're going to need some debug UI. To have a good looking scene, there is no choice. Actually, I could bake the scene for better performances, but it's not going to be funny in terms of like lighting. I wanted to do some sparkles too, maybe from the car. Like the car is crashed and you have some sparkles showing up. I don't know, we'll see where it goes. Set main, set light. The point light is fine as long as you don't use the shadows. We are going to use the shadows. Just one point light should be fine. Yeah, nice. R G B. RGB? That's not it. That's weird. It's not -1. That's weird. I don't like that. Yeah, it's because I set it to 3. Okay. Let's put 1 and let's move the camera forward a bit. So this one is going to be 0.5. And I can update the camera so it's closer to the portal. Yeah, that's the one. 111 should be fine. Maybe 2. Yeah, okay, that's cool. We have a lot of distortion. No, not too much. Should we? 25. Yeah. That's very precise. And here we have more distortion. Let's put 45. Yeah, so that we have some distortion on the sides. But not too much. And move it forward. Yeah, that's cool. Always decide from the beginning of the perspective, the field of view value. This can change everything about your project. If you're doing some like architecture, I don't know, some like you can control some players from above, a Diablo-like game, you need very low perspective, like something like that. And if you are doing maybe something very immersive where you need to feel the speed, like it's a car game or it's a game when you can control a user that goes really fast, then you need to add perspective so that it looks like it's going faster. Even some horror games, if you distort everything, it's better, so you add more like that. And here you have a lot of distortions on the side. And you have to do it from the beginning because it changes everything, like the values. I'm not sure I'm going to keep this one, but we need to test. So, okay, this is fine. The color is not working. I don't see why. Color, point light. Let me check the documentation. The software is the Three.js. We are creating a WebGL project with Three.js. So this is Three.js actually. It's a library, JavaScript library. And if you want to learn Three.js, most of the people hear what I'm about to say, you can learn from this. ACOS, why? Do we have it somewhere? Someone who knows what he's coding. Oh wait, for now I know, but not sure it's going to be for long. Oh, so the point light, okay, you don't need to send an object, you send directly the values. Okay, why not? Why not? Like this, I bet. Alright, cool. We need to be able to tweak this one, but I didn't add a tweak UI. Should we use tweakpan this time? I think we will use tweakpan. Maybe a bit later. Let's change the value. More. Less. Alright, cool. So yeah, it's gonna be a mix between cartoonish and realistic, and I just lost every USB. No! Why? Oh, Mac is so bad. Sometimes I just lost every Bluetooth devices at once. Come on. Okay, this one is working, and come on. Please. I don't have a trackpad anymore. Why? Mac. Okay. Yeah, that's mine. Yeah, it went viral, true. Yeah, we all need to find time to learn sources like that. I have so much things to learn. So annoying, always have to restart. Yeah. And the battery on the keyboard and the trackpad, they are almost new, like few months. And I have to recharge them once a week, both of them, once a week. It's so bad. It's so expensive. Alright, so what were we doing? We have the portal, we have the light. I just wanted to check how it's looking, and that all the settings for the lights were working fine. Yeah, we need the lights enabled true. It's not going to do anything right now. Tone mapping. That bothers me to use a point light. It's so bad for performances. For the tone mapping, we can. I don't think we will use a tone map. Doesn't change anything. Does it? Oh yeah, it's different. Maybe we'll activate it later. We'll see. Alright, let's create some 3D. Yeah, you know what? Let's go. Let's not lose time. We're going to create just some basic shapes just to see how it looks. Good old mouse. Not working. Oh yeah, because I plugged the... Oh, I used the USB port for the trackpad. Oh, okay. L'époque musique. Who's that? Almost 100? No way. Let me check that. No way, no way. That would be crazy. Oh, yeah, you're right. Damn. Yep, more to come. People just don't know. Oh, yeah. International streamer. Yeah. Loic. It's been so long. All right, let's go. I'm going to create a very basic shape. I'll start with. So it's control. Yeah, it's control. It's been so long. I love Blender. It's always good to come back to it. It's been a month, maybe. So it's a brand new version. I haven't used this one, so not everything is set properly. I'm going to create a fake, like fake what? Fake circle. Yeah, that's it. Fake portal, I mean. I'm not sure of the axe. I will see. We need to set up everything. Like that. Which side is the front? Yeah, that's the front. All right, I don't know yet where the camera is going to be, but let's create one. Just to project ourselves. Oops. It's always like oriented strangely. I don't see the point of doing that. All right. Yeah, so this is supposed to be the front. You can move it. Always have this when you do some Blender. Is it working? It is. All right, so this is supposed to be our scene. I'm going to create just some stuff to make sure that everything is working fine and we are well oriented. Like that. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think it's nice. I'm going to call it like world. I'm going to put those inside. This is the portal, just to make sure it's working. And I don't want to be able to select them. They should activate this by default. Not being able to select something is so useful. And this is going to be called Misk. I don't know. That's creepy, Loic. Yay, Blender. That's, yeah. Okay, so we select everything. Export it to GLTF. Oh, there are new stuff there. Oh, grease pencil. So it's a very specific format now. Motion capture. All right, probably because I have none here. I'm discovering the new version. I don't know actually what they changed on that one, but we don't really care as long as we have the usual stuff for GLTF. So it's Rick and Morty, static, assets. How should I call it? I think I will put everything in one file. Let's call it models. Models? Yeah, let's put models. So what do we need inside that one? Only the selected object, visible, I don't care. Oh, there is new stuff here. Renderable, why not? Oh, so that you don't export like grass, hair. Active collection. What's the active collection? Cameras. I might need to update the Three.js course because there are new stuff here. Custom properties, I don't care. Punctual light, yeah, those are the same. Do I need the UVs for now? No. Normals, yes, because we are going to have some lightings apply on it. Vertex color, we don't care. Yeah, this is great. Edges and points. Before you could not have that. Like if you want just like a vertex at a point because you're going to use it for whatever, for particles or anything like that, you could not export a GLTF. It looks like we can do that. I've heard of it. Material. Nope, not yet. Compression, we don't care yet. We're going to test this one after. Animation, we don't have any animation. All right, cool. What else? So next part, we need to load it, and I actually have some resources to do that, which is the name actually, resources. It's from like projects, client project I use. So this was just loading a texture, but now we need to load the model, and it's going to be model. Yes, that's why. Models, world. I don't like to use world because I already have something called world environment. Floor, surrounding. I don't have IDs. I always add this at the end. This is why I can't call it like models. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Especially when you have like a 50 person looking at you. You just need to find a name. Lorem ipsum. Where is it? It's there. Alright. Yeah, okay. GLB, it's not a texture. I will get it from this. Did I break everything? No, that's great. I haven't tested my loader with the models, but I'm guessing that it's working fine. If you want to use my loader, you can. It's on the GitHub of this project, and I think it's pretty good. Not perfect, but the idea is that it loads almost everything. There is one loader here. It's a class that can load the JPEG, PNG, basis file. It can load models too, like this one with Draco. By the way, if you don't want Draco, you have to remove this loader because it's quite heavy. Like it's been loaded, even if you're not partially loaded, even if you don't use it. FBX, HDR, so it can load anything. And then there is the resources class that handle the fact of loading groups of objects and triggering events when objects are loaded. Sorry if it was a bit complex. Anyway, you can use my code whenever you want. So I have the model. I think I can have it. I need a name. Environment. Yeah, let's use environment. Environment is fine. .glb. Was it GLB? Yeah, environment.glb. So environment.glb. Environment.glb. Let's save the Blender. I will save it inside the repo so that you can have this file too if you want. Gonna create resources. Environment. Oh, no, inside resources. All right. So I changed the name of the file. I think we are loading it anyway. I can get rid of Lena, Byron Lena. Can get rid of the file too. Am I working on the right file? Yeah, it is. Okay, we can import it and add it to the scene. It's gonna be a mess at start, but it's just the time that to settle everything. Portal, and I'm going to create a new class. It's going to be environment. So it's a bit boring. Gonna get better soon. Default class, environment. Come on. I don't need that one. Might need that one. And then we can create it. So oops. Okay, we get the OK, which is OK. And we can add the portal. So I'm gonna need those, the scene. I don't need the time yet. I don't need the group. Yeah, I don't need the time. but I'm gonna need the resources. And the resources is the class I just talked about. So items, and the name was environment model, I bet, I guess. Yeah, that's it. So here is our model being loaded. And we can add it to the scene. And it's the scene inside of it. Yeah, okay, I think it's working. Okay, cool. See, that's the environment. So we can get rid of the floor. It was just a test floor. We don't need that one. Yeah. So did I get it right? Oh, it was the right direction. So cool. We are facing the exact same direction. This would just help us like move stuff. So we know that the default camera is going to be here. Even if the camera you can rotate, you will be able to navigate. I don't know what exactly the users will be able to do, but the users will be able to navigate. Let's check Twitter fast. Yeah, so let's move the default camera to match what we have here. So it's the X, I guess. Z. So it wasn't the Z. Oh, that's weird. So it's the X. Yeah, it's logical actually. Okay, cool. So it's there. We can move it forward. And we have the cube, and we have the other one. So it's supposed to be like half of one unit down, which is from this. There. Is it half of it? Yeah. Okay, so if I export this, this should be right at the bottom of it, of the portal. GLB, normals, yeah. Okay, that's cool. That's a good base. We're going to add some fog too, to get rid of those edges at the end. I need some references actually. I have something in my head, but it's usually bad when you have something, an ID, you think you know exactly what you want, you never get there. You need some references. But I will do that off screen, off live, whatever. Okay, so let's try to create the basic shape. So I think the portal will be maybe like on some... I can't select it. Oh yeah. Let's create the rough shape of it. Why is it so low actually? Oh, this one is supposed to be much bigger. What's the size of it? S2. That's weird. A circle, and the default size of a circle is 1 meter radius. Is it like mine? What's the size of my portal? Oh, it's a plane, so it's 0.5. So this is supposed to be the size of it, really? Let's get the right proportion. Oh yeah, that's why. See? This is the portal. This is why it's so small. Okay, let's work with the same scale. So if I put, let's say, cube right here. I'm going to test. I want to make sure to have the right size. And a sphere very close to the portal. Like this. And I export that. Should be fine. Yeah, see? It's working. It's right at the edge, and the cube is right here. So it's fine. The point light is going so far. I think you can change that, but it's not realistic to do that, to do so. TypeScript? Why would I? I don't need TypeScript. Through the portal? No. I mean, that could be fun, but that's gonna be like a lot of effort. So I'm not sure you'll be able to do so. Yeah, about TypeScript. For me, TypeScript is for like working with a full team. Everybody wants to work the same way. When you start writing something, you have auto-completion because you're using TypeScript, which is good for auto-completion. And if someone did something, you start typing and you get the method and the properties, so it's great. Also for beginners, so that you have to write this way. But if you know what you're doing and you're working alone, I don't think you need TypeScript. That's why. Okay, so this is working and we can play with the scene. So I want maybe... Yeah, it's gonna be like all destroyed. Can have some 8s, elevations. Far away. I don't know where this is going, okay? I'm just testing. Maybe this is too high actually. We can have something higher. That. Come on. That was me. There's one on top of the other. Come on. The part where we're going to create the object is going to be quite funny, I guess. Oh, did I move it? Oh, no perspective here. All right. Okay, I just want to see how it goes with details and also generate some shapes that can create shadows to make sure that shadows are working fine. I think we are going to need to have like as few lights as possible. Maybe 1 or 2 lights generating shadows. Sure, it's always good to have only one light that generates shadows because they don't mix together well. And maybe 1 or 2 other lights without shadows. Maybe. Because, yeah, that's a portal. That's true. He's right. Should be able to go through. Maybe we'll see later. Maybe I can find something to do with it. Let's deactivate this one. Yeah, like that. All right, so if I export this one, we should get the exact same result. And it's working well. See that? Let's activate. Oh, we need to be able to see on the back. So this is just the back side on the material. Double side. Yeah. The light can be lowered a little. Like the light should emit from the center, I guess. Having it close to the floor might be interesting too. Maybe minus 0.5. Yuck. Never mind. 0.5 is like really on the floor, so maybe 0.25. Yeah, that's cool. Really cool. And moment of truth. What if we activate the shadow? We will have to activate on every object after that. Export in what kind of like live server in your code? What? I've never been able to export. Oh, wait, I need to catch up. No, it's a portal. Agreed. Thanks. That's cool. I've never been able to export network. Kind of like live server in your phone. I don't get it. Anyway, yeah, I was doing the lights. Did I activate it on the renderer? I think so. Yeah, it's enabled. Soft shadows. We'll see if it's better or not. Thank you. And then we have to traverse the scene and change every object. Yeah. I don't like the fact that they call it scene. It's not really a scene, it's a group. This model of traverse. Oh, I need to change this one. Yeah. We can merge them at the end. We will merge everything we can merge. Material. I want to check the material of them. Oops. Like that. So some are going to be undefined. Are those different? No, it's the same. Okay, that's cool. We have only one material for all the objects. Even if it's temporary, I don't want to have like a performances issue right now. So, child, cast shadow, true. Receive shadow, true. And it's a mess. As expected. But we have something. What's happening exactly? This part is weird. Why do we have this? The shadow is there. Yeah, not a big fan of that. This part is really weird. I don't see why we have this. Maybe this is generating shadow. Oh, yeah. That's the problem. No, it should not, because we didn't say to cast shadow, and by default it's false. So having the portal doesn't change anything. Like, see, if I remove it, yeah, we get this exact same result. So it's not the portal generating this shadow here. Maybe it's the close and the far. Yeah, let's try to change that. The camera maybe can see like from what's the name? The mean distance is too high. What was it? Wait. Ah, yeah. I wanted to put the lights higher. Yeah, now it's fixed. Yeah, I think that's it. We're going to change the light a bit. The properties are quite hard. I think it's shadow map, maybe just shadow. Yeah. And the camera has a... What's the name? Near. Okay, that's the near. See, that's why. So it was starting to render from the light, and it was like further than this limit. So yeah, it was inside the block. So we need to change that. Shadow. Is my PC burning right now? Oh yeah, see? Yeah. I don't know what's happening exactly. I think OBS doesn't help a lot. What does that mean? Webpack config, pretty cool. Yeah, that's the template. So, shadow, camera, near. Let's log it to make sure that we are changing the right thing. And then near equals 0.1 should be enough. Yeah, look good. Good. That's good. That's good. 0.25. Yeah, I think that's fixed it. What's the far value? I think it's way too much. 1,500? Yeah, that's way too much. Let's keep some precision. Alright, that's better. So, how is the quality of the shadow? It's bad, but it's not that bad. I will move it. Yeah, let's add a perpetual movement so that you don't have time to look at the bad quality. See? If it's moving, you won't be able to see that. I'm going to use, so we need more data. So light equal an object. This is going to be the instance of the light. We need a base position. By the way, thank you everyone for following. It's great. Thank you so much. It's more pressure for me, but it's great. I really don't want to disappoint, so it's hard. Then I can use that. I don't need to change it because we're going to change it live. I mean on each frame. So light, instance, position. And we copy this position and then we can play with the time. So it's supposed to be the same. Yeah, okay. We didn't break anything. That's great. Yeah, we can move it. Let's go. So position dot x equal math scene of the time elapsed. You will see what I'm doing. The lights will do some circles like that in different direction with different frequencies and it should be fine. 0.6, 0.4. And I broke everything. Instance position, math scene. That's weird. Oh no, you don't have elapsed. Time elapsed. And I don't have the time. Oh, I do. Okay. Yeah, nice. Maybe not the best animation, but still this way you can't see much. Oh, it's strange. It's jumping. Maybe we can increase the quality just a bit. So, to increase the quality, it's going to be the map. No, it's not the map. Map size, yeah. Oh, it's already so much. Not sure it's going to fix it. Oh, it did. Yeah, that's just enough. Okay, that's cool. What about something faster? Faster. Oh, that's too strong. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's way too strong. 0.1. Oops. Ah, that one is fine. Yeah, that's cool. This one is cool. We're going to create some tweaking later. I know that you're supposed to add it as fast as possible, but I will add them a bit later. Because I'm not sure of the debug UI I'm going to use. Actually, maybe we can lower the quality just a bit now that it's not moving that much. Yeah, now see that? That's ugly. Yeah, that's fine. Let's play with the strength of it. I don't know what's the strength. Is it intensity? Yeah, it's intensity. What's the default value? Yeah, I put 1. So if I put 2, it's going to be much stronger. Yeah, okay, that's fine. How to create a portal visual. I'm looking for information on how you would be able to move through it. It's funny because we had some improvement on Three.js to do that more easily. I don't recall exactly which update did that. Let me check. Three.js changelog. I think I tweet about it, but it was maybe like 1 or 2 months ago. I was like, yeah, we're going to see some portal. Ah, no, we can't see it. There is something. There was something new, something about projection. Like it was just some methods, I guess, to create like the render for the inside of the portal to do like in the portal game, you know, with the Valve game where you can create portals and go through them. It became more easily to do that. So if you do some searches, I'm quite sure you will find, but make sure to use the new ways of doing it through Three.js. It's easier. I wanted to create one actually. Audio reactive in Three.js. Well, just like any JavaScript. Like if you can get the JavaScript spectrum, the audio spectrum in JavaScript. So for now it has nothing to do with Three.js. Then you can use it to do any animation. And actually I did share this one like a few streams before. Yeah, that's the one. See, it's one of my first WebGL project. See, when I'm not talking, goes down. And when I speak loudly, goes up. And this you can use like it's using my voice, but you can use any input, and it should work just fine. I put the link. It was a long time ago when we didn't have any bundler, so I think the code is just available. Yeah, see, all the code is available like that. And it was like a very old version of Three.js. Yeah, see, 71. We are now at 130. So much time, so much long ago. So long ago, sorry. All right, so it's moving. I wanted to play with the intensity. So intensity. And I think we can do quite the same. So it's 1 plus this, 25 maybe. Yeah, that's cool. Maybe we can mix those. I don't know, not a big fan. I think I have other properties available on this one. Distance. Ah yeah, so that's it. Maximum range of light. Default is 0, so there is no limit, but it's kind of realistic. The decay. Amount of light dims along the distance of the light is 1. For physically correct lighting, set it to 2. For physically correct lighting, set it to 2. So distance is gonna be 0. Let me check if it did change anything. Okay, we get the same result. And for physically correct lights, the default should be... Oh yeah, okay. Oh, that's better. Yeah, we get better lightings here. Distance and decay. So we have the intensity, the distance, and decay. And we are not supposed to change this one. Yeah. So more decay maybe. Yeah, that's cool. I want the objects on the side to be barely visible. So with that, we can get this result. But it's stronger here, which is weird. Let's put it back on top, the light. Yeah, that's cool. So that's what I was saying, like we get a mix between realistic and cartoonish results. The portal is not realistic, but it's like in the show, and the rest will be a more realistic. How do you get that 3D model? 3D model? Oh, it's just cubes from Blender. I did that. I just want to test like a general layout. And we're going to add the car there, like a portal gun there. I wrote some of the objects I want to create. By the way, if you have ideas of objects from Rick and Morty, please tell me. Like if I say Rick and Morty, what the objects you think about. So you have the pickle. It's not going to be the pickle rig, but I will put a pickle somewhere. The car, the eye patch, you know, of the Bad Morty, the plumbers. I think I will have fun create this one. At a point they have, you know, like fake alien headband, you know, with the kind of goggles bows on the top. The portal gun, obviously. Some bottles, because Rick is a drinker. The coconut, you know, the pointy coconut. The butter robot, I have to create this one. Mad Max helmet from the Mad Max episode. The dog helmet. The Missy box. Guns and bullets, because Rick is always like shooting. If you have other ideas, please tell me. Mr. Poopy Butthole. Oh, I think I know which one is it. Yeah, let's put this one. Good idea. Me 6 bucks. Oh, it's me 6 bucks. Yeah, I wrote it bad. Vomit. True. I don't know how really I can create that, but let's keep it in mind. He has, I think he has some candies. You know I don't know how you say sucette in French. We said. He's always having drinking or candies. Doesn't smoke, I think. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. Should be enough. Anyway, we will have some like debris. Yeah, lollipop, exactly. We can have very small details that only like by searching you can find them. Maybe we can create a game where you have to find every details. Like you have a checklist and you have to click on every object to find them. That could be fun. Okay, let's get back to it. Yeah, let's continue. I don't know, maybe half an hour. Let's see. So yeah, the lights. Should we have like ambient light? I don't know. This will depend on the objects. Because if we have objects here, we won't be able to see them. But maybe it's just a matter of creating the right model. Importing model, it's working. Base model, yep. We have the portal, we have the base setup. I'm going to push that, by the way, if you guys want to test. Oh, I can't see. Yeah, okay. You know what? Let's have fun and create the plumbus. I'm not motivated to do more coding. So yeah, let's do the plumbus. What? You don't know what a plumbus is? I hope most of you have seen the show because this is really weird. I will put it on the side, okay? I don't want people to watch this. So yeah, here you go. Here's the plumbus. I will create actually a new collection. Plumbus. An interactive plumbus. Oh yeah, I should create that. Like next experiment, an interactive plumbus and you have physics. Might be funny. So how is the plumbus exactly? I'm not going to use like images in the background. I think I can eyeball it. It's not that bad if it's not exactly it. Too much. Maybe 12. Yeah, something like that. I'm a bit lost in Blender. It's been a while. We need subdivision. Yeah, good. Not too many details. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh no, I didn't create the right version. I think I can fix it. I remove those. E S 0 and we merge. Yeah. All right. Come on. E, right click, S, 0, and we merge. Oops. Alright, that's better. So, how exactly? Oh, you have two sides on the plumbus. Oh, that's so ugly. I can't see the chat while I'm watching that. Git add instead of all. Yeah, it's not exactly the same, but yeah, depends on if you're on the root folder or not. But yeah, don't worry, I know that. I've been teaching it for a while. Actually, I don't need to do that. ES, yeah, like that is better. Yeah. Okay. Maybe a bit bigger. I like this one. I have many references actually. I don't know which one is the best. I don't have pictures from the show. Yeah, it's okay. I can manage anyway. Is it like that? Yeah, it has to be like falling like this. And then at the edge, you get some really weird stuff happening. Yeah, so it goes some like that. So awkward. Okay, S0, and we merge by distance. All right. That's not exactly right. Let's improve a bit. Yeah, I know it looks like what you're thinking of. That's the whole point of the show. How can I fix this part? Yeah. I think it's not bad. This might be a bit more like that. Yeah. I think I have too many polygons already. Yeah, we can't see them here. Okay, on the other side, what do we have? Oops. Okay, here's the plumbus. So yeah, on the other side, we have some tentacles, but still we have the main shape, I mean the hole at the center. So it will be something like that. Yeah. Ah. Okay. Yep. Okay, then we have some tentacles. Oops.
I'm looking for somebody who brings everything to the table. You know, who brings the heart, who brings their vision, and particularly who bring their brain to the table.
Should it be more sharp, maybe?
They're aware of what they're doing and they're making conscious choices.
Yeah, not too many details. It's always tempting to add more polygons. This will be a small object. I think there is already too much polygons. I should not have done that much polygon. Maybe I can quickly fix it, actually. Yeah, see? Maybe I can remove those. I will keep it like that. Yeah, I know. For those just arriving right now, this is from Rick and Morty, alright? It's called a plumbus. I don't know why I started with this one. Alright, how can I distort them without breaking everything? Actually, I can just like take them, activate that. Yeah. So how many of them? Oh, they can go in and out. Why? We have maybe a dozen of them. All right, let's do that. Should I add the mature content on the stream? It's working pretty well. Not like that. All right. That's pretty cool. Maybe we can change that. O, G, Y. Yeah, that's... Yeah, like that is fine. No, maybe not like that. Just a bit. Yeah, this should be enough. All right, that's cool. I know it's weird. Let's get rid of this one fast. All right. We need the main part going up. Is it linked to it? Yeah, it is. Oh no, I got it wrong. It's okay. Z, set Z. Yeah, this is, it's gonna be a mess. Oh, it's okay, we don't care. I'm spending already too much time on this one. Alright, so it looks a bit like that, and then we have all the bubbles on the top, and I will just create some bubbles. I will start from a cube. Oops. Actually, yeah, I can do that. Yeah, nice. Is it? Yeah, I think it's like that. Maybe a bit more at the bottom. They all have the same size, so let's not break this. Maybe slightly bigger. Yeah, that's cool. Here you go, guys. This is a plumber. No, a plumbus. Plumber. All right. I'm gonna create some archives just in case. Can I duplicate the whole collection? Yeah, we can still do that. That's great. We hide this one and we merge everything. Yeah. Giant plumbers. Sorry, I didn't check the chat. Okay. You're not talking that much because it's super awkward. I get it. Alright, let's add a big plumbus in the back just to see if it's working well. We have quite a lot of polygons. Let me check how much polygons. Oh, I don't have the information. Yeah, maybe I need to do something to show them. Yeah, statistics. Oh, it's fine. 500 vertices. It's okay. I already have the Draco compression activated, so it's gonna be small. We are not doing that much things on the vertices. Or actually, we are doing nothing. It's just like the native materials. And we can add the compression at a point. So, what do we get? All right. Oh, I closed it. Oh yeah, I did. And here is the plumbus. Oh no, I forgot the modifiers. That's why. That's funny how it went. It's like LOD. Apply modifiers, yeah. Yeah, it's working. Check that out. Everything is gone. Oh yeah. Can I export the right way, please? Just for once. Alright, here you go. The plumbus is in the place. That's cool. I like it. So yeah, here's the idea. We will have like many objects. So obviously it's way too big and it's not, it cannot float in the air, but it will be, I don't know, maybe somewhere on the floor. That would be the car. Car might be funny to create because it's like round shapes. Never easy. I don't think I will put any characters, or maybe just one that you told me, the Mr. Poopy Butthole. Yeah, it should be enough. Should I make a screenshot of that? Yeah, let's put it just a bit closer. Let's put it on the floor. Oops. Oh no, it's fine. We can put it there. What is the actual size of a plumbus? Because I don't know. Okay, we should be able to see it there. All right. Oops. Oh, come on, twice. I'm getting tired. Sorry. Environment. Okay. Here you go. Oh, we have some shadow acne. We will fix that later, but yeah, we will have some round shape, so we need to change that. We can do it later. How can we see it a bit better? I can just do it like that. And a screenshot. Okay, we don't need that. This is the stream. Yeah, let's put it there. Alright, cool. One recommended VR is as big as a VR. It was big as... Ah, sorry, I have a bug. Large water bottle. Okay. That one might be a bit too big, actually. So, yeah. Finish the project today? Oh, no. This is going to be a very long project. I think it's going to be like maybe 3 times longer than the first streaming project. You know, the Valley. We'll see. Maybe I will get bored and we will like finish it fast. But no, I don't. I think this one is going to be quite long. Let me just tweet that. No, I will tweet it after, actually. So yeah, we need to add some stuff. I don't know if I will do a lot of texturing. Maybe it will be better. I wanted to see how it looks, and it doesn't look that great. I want something that looks like room, so maybe I will go through Substance Painter. But I don't know how to use it really well. Add more textures, something a bit more like grunge. But it's working pretty well. That's kind of what I was thinking about. What can we do? Yeah, let's just tweak this one. Okay, let me check what's the next part. We actually already have the plumbers. Lights, camera animation, that's going to be for the end. Yeah, I think we go through like a lot of modelings. Off screen, I will try to add more textures, maybe think about what we can create. I want to animate the portal actually. Yeah, let's animate the physics of the portal. We are going to do that to finish. I think we can get quite a cool animation. Might be too hard. I'm a bit tired, so I might fail this. I'm going to rename this one surface. Initially I wanted to have multiple parts. Oops. Set surface. Main, it's gonna be the surface. Alright. So currently I don't think we have enough subdivision. Yeah, we have no subdivision actually. So let's add more, maybe like 15. Okay, this way we'll be able to like pull this part. So how can we do that? If we go to the shaders. Vertex, yeah. Let's separate it. So we have the model position. Do we need to separate it? Yeah, actually we don't need to separate it. I can play with this one. Like 3 new position. Like that. And we send it back to there. And we can play with the UV instead of the position. So first, centered UV. I know I already did that actually on the fragment, but that's a bit different. 0.5. And if we pull the UV according to the center, so if I move on the Z, would it be the Z? 0.1 maybe. Hey! Did it move forward? 25 maybe? Yeah, it's moving forward. Alright, so we need to play with that, and we can play with the centered UV, and I'm going to need the distance to the center. So it's the length of it. Okay, this is going to be weird. Oh, actually it's wrong. The center UV is like that. Oh, sorry, it's the UV, not VUV. What I was doing. Thank you. Yeah, see? So now we can play with it. But how the shape should be? We need some kind of sinus shape. It's always hard to get. Maybe I should send it. I will create like a strength. Yeah. Float. How can I call it? Like pull strength. So it's gonna be this, and we're going to go through a sinus of this. And we're going to move on the Z according to that. All right, so now we have more round shape. No, it's not looking well. I need pi 2 again. Up. Oh, yeah, I need to move that too. Yeah, okay. Way too much. Oh no, that's not there. There. Okay, that's the opposite that we want. We want it to be at the center. I don't think you can just switch to a course. Yeah, no, you don't get the right result. So scene is going from -1 to +1, so we need to do plus 1.0, then we multiply by anything we want. Maybe something like that. Yeah. Really? Why do we get this? The length should be from 0 to 1 at the edges. So yeah, first we need to multiply it. 2.0. Ah yeah, that's it. See? Now we have some kind of shape, and if we pull it there, yeah, the result should be fine. So this will be just like, yeah, I need to separate it. 0.1. Whoops. Oh, never mind. All right, cool. And we need to animate that now. So let's send a uniform as always. U pull strength. Oh, let me check something. Okay, it's fine. U pull strength, float. And we multiply it by that. So by default it's 0, and now we can play with it. So if I put 1 there, yeah, okay, it's working. Nice. 0.1. Like that. Okay, it's working. So how are we going to control it? I don't know, maybe from user input, like if you're moving like that, it plays with it. That should be fine. I'm gonna need some speed. Yeah. I need to be able to control the speed and add it and update it on the update function. So yeah, let's add some speed things. So this, no, not light. Surface. The value is going to be 0. Sometime we are going to change it. So we have the velocity. Speed. I'm a bit tired to play with that. The target will be 0 and it has to go towards 0. Is it? Yeah, we'll change it randomly, like set interval. All right, so we have this, we are changing the target, and on each frame it will update the velocity toward the target according to the current position. So it's not the speed actually, it will update the speed according to the target. Target will be 0, value will be 0 by default. All right, something like that. So the value has to change on each frame. So this is for the light. get rid of this. All right. This is for the surface. So we change the speed plus equal, so we need a delta. The target minus this. Yeah, okay, so that's the delta. And we update the speed according to the delta. Plus equal just a fraction of it. True data minus 0.01. And the speed to change live, I guess. Yeah, I think so. Now it's going back. And at every moment we are just lowering it. I haven't done that for a while. Like this, and then we update the value using the speed. Alright, what do we get? Yeah, it's working. Okay, we are there. Look at that. So it will be weird because it's random value, but at a point we will be able to control it. I don't know, maybe with the mouse or something like that. Uniforms. It's the U pool strength value equal the pool value. Maybe. Yeah, nice. Looks like it's living. If it's stronger, this time dot delta. It's delta. Yeah, nice. Too strong. 0.5. More dumping. Yeah, nice. So it's weird because it's moving on its own, like it's living, but don't worry, we will change it whenever we need. Maybe we can actually like throw stuff out of the portal. Like at very specific moment, you have an object that will just go away, and the portal will have this little animation. Yeah, it's working well. It's weird that we have a cartoonish portal, but still it's working pretty well. And we can improve it, like the strength of it. Yeah, this is temporary, but still I want to see how it goes. Maybe what we need to do is change it like fast at a point, and then window set timeout, we put it back fast to 0 so that it goes back at a point. 100. Yeah, check that out. Maybe. Yeah, see, it's going back. We need more. Yeah, sorry. My VS Code theme is material theme. That's simple. And I use what's the name? Because you have multiple material themes. Oh wait, we can't change it anymore. What's that? Maybe it's not material. Accent color. This is not working at all. Theme. Color theme. Oh, it's pale night. Inside the material theme, it's pale night. It's the default one. I didn't change anything on it. Alright, see, it's working. Nice, nice, nice. I want to check, is Curiously Minding started already or not? Oh no, they are not connected. Wait, let me check where they are. It's a bit strong. Nice. Alright, cool. I use that for later. Well, I think I'm done for today. Unfortunately, Curiosity Minded didn't start it yet. That's sad. That's sad. They were supposed to start at 6 p.m. I think we're on the same like skill time zone. But yeah, too bad they didn't start it. Anyway, I will send you the link because right now I'm a bit tired. So yeah, it's Ilithia and Elisa. They are going to do some shaders, so I recommend you to check that out. Usually they are doing shaders, so I am guessing that it's going to be shaders again. Here's the link. I don't think it's useful to do a red because they are not live yet, and they are not answering too. So anyway. Yeah. Was exhausting. I hope the rest will be a bit more will not be like boring because it's going to be some modeling. Or anyway, if it's boring, don't watch, but I hope it's going to be fine too. All right, thank you everyone. See you probably tomorrow. Bye bye.